lost service in the middle of a battle, so I can't look them up now.
Are you kissing your sister?
I'm trying to, but she won't let me. Wait, no. Go away.
In this video, we head to Drake's Bay, Costa Rica. I want everybody to notice that this is the very first video that I have made where I did not add any music to it. I loved the jungle sounds of Drake's Bay so much that it just seemed wrong to cover any of that up with music. So I hope you can enjoy the beautiful sounds of the jungle and ignore the sounds of our children annoying each other. Here we go. Turn right and you're in the jungle. Abby, just walk.
Dad, you like? Okay, let's go. Let's see, Mom. Okay, let's go.
Hey guys, you'd probably see more jungle animals if you stopped acting like animals yourselves and walked quietly.
But if we blend in like nature, then we'll see more nature.
I don't think that's how this works.
That is.
I think monkeys are scared of you.
How?
They're like, what kind of species of monkey is this?
Annoyus maximus.
Creepy.
Man, that's a lot of bamboo. Abby's down there singing to the flowers.
Like a Disney.
And the other Disney princess here is taking photos of them.
No, I can't extract.
I can tell when people are enjoying a view and our boat is in it.
Crocodiles?
So you think they're gonna be frogs?
They could be frogs, salamanders, any kind of amphibian.
It's cool, guys. This Abby keeps bouncing around, and I need a gimbal for this. Look at this beautiful area and our children screaming and yelling at each other.
Hello.
I don't like her.
Pick him up. There you go.
I think it's Jesus' food, isn't it?
No.
Here.
Baby one, maybe?
Nope, he doesn't want to be touched.
And now the tide's in. And I swear this looks like something straight out
Look
of
at like
Disney.
the dolphins up here.
I know.
on the thing.
It's like not. It's like the Jungle River cruise of Disney.
I was just
Will you
decapitated.
pull us around?
Pull us around this boat. Seriously, you just let go. Grab that boat.
I can't!
Work on it.
Watch out for these rocks over here, Dad.
Okay, you got it.
Let's go.
Why don't you have your life jackets on?
Because because we're too cool for them.
Yeah, I'm too cool for that.
Put your life jacket on.
Oh, maybe it is.
Those are macaws.
Maybe you're rubbing your feet all over me. Can you like that?
Can you just hang out in this little spot? I mean, this is magic. Look at those.
Someone. There's a little one.
Little baby crocodile in there.
Can we go closer? I wanted to go closer.
Don't go too close to him. Be nice to the crocodile, but yeah, you can totally see him. Don't go too close. Back up. He's leaving. He's swimming. He's going underwater. He left.
Put your hand in the water, I dare you.
Don't put your hand in the water.
I'm putting my hand in the water.
Why? You just saw a crocodile swim down there. Why would you put your hand down there?
Because it's fun. Dad, if my hand gets eaten off by a crocodile, will you give me $1?
No.
Oh.
This is the most jungly jungle cruise we've had yet.
It's true. There's actual crocodiles and macaws, and I haven't seen monkeys yet in
broken
here.
board there on the bridge you guys were jumping on.
Yeah, that's awesome.
But there's, you know, a lot more.
Don't like it. Don't like it.
It won't be fine. No one's died yet. Maybe.
How do you know?
Well,
Do you live here?
no.
It's so weird. It looks like there's something like wrong with my camera. Like the water is so calm and so green that it looks like there's like it's half and half and there's something wrong.
That's probably it. This looks magical.
They all have swimsuits on.
How cool is this, you guys? We thought we were on a jungle cruise in Tenecatita. That does not compare to this. Look at that waterfall, guys.
Let's go close.
Yeah, we should probably turn around. It's getting shallow here.
And there's a bunch of swirliness over there. I want to go close.
Look at that bird.
Look, there's waterfalls back there too.
Oh yeah.
And the cool bird over there.
No, that looks cute. There's a lot of rocks here. This is our only vehicle. We have to be nice to our motor, even though it looks gorgeous up there. Oh, there we go.
If you like nature and annoying kids, subscribe and follow us.